Dear children, heartiest welcome in English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 8, that is the bear story of your book, that is An Alien Hand. Dear children, these are expected learning outcomes which will be achieved by us after solving this exercise. As you know that we read and understood the whole chapter in previous two videos. Today we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Let's start. Let's go to the exercise which is written on page number 57 in your book. The first question under this exercise is, where did the lady find the bear cub? How did she bring it up? स्त्री को रीछ का बच्चा कहाँ मिला? उसने उसे कैसे पाला? The answer of this question is, the lady found the bear cub in the forest. She brought it up on the bottle with the help of the cook. Now, second question of this exercise is, the bear grew up but he was a most amiable bear. Give 3 examples to prove this. रीछ बड़ा हुआ परंतु वह बहुत ही मिलनसार रीछ था. यह सिद्ध करने के लिए 3 उदाहरण दीजिए. The answer of this question is, the bear was a most amiable bear who did not dream of harming anybody, man or beast. He used to sit outside his kennel and look with his small intelligent eyes most amicably at the cattle grazing in the field nearby. The 3 shaggy mountain ponies in the stable knew him well and did not mind in the least when he shuffled into the stable with his mistress. The 3 dogs loved to play all sorts of games with him, pull his ears and his stump of a tail and tease him in every way, but he did not mind it. Now, question number 3. What did the bear eat? There were 2 things he was not allowed to do. What were they? रीछ क्या खाता था? 2 बातों की उसे अनुमति नहीं थी. वे क्या थीं? The answer of this question is, the bear ate same food as the dogs and often out of the same plate. Bread, porridge, potato, cabbage, turnip. He had never tasted meat. He was not allowed to do 2 things. Firstly, he was not allowed to climb the apple tree and eat them. Secondly, he was not allowed to wander about in the forest. Now, question number 4. When was the bear tied up with a chain? Why? रीछ को जंजीर से कब बांधा जाता था? क्यों? The answer of this question is, he was put on the chain only at night. He was also put on the chain on Sundays when the mistress went to spend the afternoon with her married sister who lived in a solitary house on the other side of Mountain Lake. Now, question number 5. What happened one Sunday when the lady was going to her sister's house? What did the lady do? What was the bear's reaction? एक रविवार को जब वह स्त्री अपनी बहन के घर जा रही थी तो क्या घटना घटी? स्त्री ने क्या किया? रीछ की क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? The answer of this question is, one Sunday when the lady was going to her sister's house has chained him up as usual and was about halfway through the forest. She heard the cracking of a tree branch on the winding footpath behind her. She looked back and was horrified to see the bear coming along full speed. The lady was very angry to see bear following her. She told him in her severest voice to go back at once. The bear did not want to go back. She hit him on the nose with her parasol so hard that it broke in 2. The bear stopped. He opened his big mouth several times as if he wanted to say something. Then he turned round and went back. However, it stopped now, and then to look at the lady till at last she lost sight of him. Now, question number 6. Why was the bear looking sorry for himself in the evening? Why did the cook get angry with her mistress? शाम के समय रीछ को स्वयं पर बड़ा अफसोस क्यों हो रहा था? रसोइया अपनी मालकिन पर क्यों क्रोधित हुई? The answer of this question is the bear looking sorry for himself in the evening for not obeying his mistress. The cook got angry with her mistress because she loved him as if her son. She knew that the bear had been as gentle as an angel. Now, let's go to the another exercise which is also written on page number 57 in your book. Discuss the following topics in groups. The question under this exercise is: most people keep dogs and cats as pets. Can you think of some unusual pets that people keep? अधिकतर लोग कुत्ते बिल्लियां पालते हैं. क्या आप ऐसे कुछ असाधारण पशुओं के विषय में सोच सकते हैं जिन्हें कुछ लोग पालते हैं? The answer of this question is yes. Many Indians kept some unusual animals as pets. Some snake charmers keep snakes as pets. Some people keep rabbits, pigs, monkeys, mongooses, etc. as pets. Now, the second question under this exercise is: the second bear did not attack the lady because he was afraid of her. Do you agree? दूसरे रीछ ने महिला पर आक्रमण नहीं किया क्योंकि वह उससे डरता था. क्या आप इससे सहमत हैं? The answer of this question is yes. It seems that he was afraid of her. She knew that it was her pet bear. Therefore, she dealt with him as one would deal with one's dog or cat. Dear children, these are the question answers of this chapter, that is the bear story. I hope you understand it very well. There is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.